Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to make money online from Latvia. So let's get started. So as you can see here, Latvia has the thousand number of people unemployed and that can make money online. So the best way to make money online without any investment, without any capital is through freelancing. So here we just go to the website. Okay, the best website to freelancing is Fiverr. So Fiverr is a marketplace where we can sell anything to the business owner and potential buyer. Okay, so what to sell? So you can sell here your social media gigs, then social media manager gigs, content writing, doing content writing, uh, doing video editing, produce of video intros, promo ads and slideshow, finding images for someone, uh, doing voiceovers and many other things. So if you see here, Fiverr is a very good platform to make money. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.